Hi, I'm Sean Gannon. This is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about two-step inequalities. We're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, -1 is greater than 12 plus x over 4. Well, my first step is I need to multiply 4 to both sides. By doing that, I'm eliminating the 4 on the right, giving me just a 12 plus x, just the numerator, and on the left-hand side, 4 times -1 is a -4. So now I need to get x by itself, so I subtracted 12 to both sides. And in doing that, I'm left with x by itself on the right, and -4 minus 12 is a -16. Now, I like to rewrite it, have x come first. So I rewrite this as x is less than a -16. So be careful. Remember, we have to flip the inequality when we flip everything here. So now we have x is less than a -16. X is by itself, which is great. And so now we need to graph it. Make my little number line here. I'll just put -16 right there in the middle. Let's go by 2s. -14 here, -12, -10, and then -18 and -20, and why not -22? All right, going by 2s. Why not? I can choose it. So since x is not equal to -16, we have an open circle here at -16. Since x is less than -16, we put an arrow to the left, or shape to the left. And so now we have a graph now that matches our final answer of x is less than a -16. So let's recap. We're given -1 is greater than 12 plus x all over 4. Multiply 4 to both sides to get 12 plus x by itself on the right, and then 4 times -1 is -4 on the left. I then subtracted 12 to both sides, giving me a -16 on the left is greater than x, which is left on the right. Now, I flip this, and by doing so, putting the x first, I have to flip the inequality, so I have x is less than a -16. And there we have our final answer. X is written first, and it's isolated. I need to graph it. Since it's not equal to -16, I have an open circle at -16. And then since x is less than -16, I put the arrow to the left there from that open circle. So our graph now matches our final answer of which is x is less than -16.